Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Indian government plans indirect tax on crypto tools. The India Ministry of Finance has begun work on a comprehensive goods and service tax plan which is reportedly shaping up to be an indirect tax on crypto assets, according to local Indian media. The purpose of considering an indirect tax on crypto is to act as a check against potential revenue loss to the exchequer due to the ambiguity around the true nature of the asset class. A new GST rate for cryptocurrencies will be decided upon, which could potentially fall between 18% to 28%, the report states. Finance Minister of India Nirmala Sitharaman intends to define the characteristics of cryptocurrency, their use, and how they fit into the existing legal framework. To determine whether cryptocurrency will be defined a good or a service, according to reports, the Finance Ministry could enforce a specialist rate for digital assets, which may not necessarily fall between. The decision is expected to be made sooner rather than later. The report also will only be calculated in relation to margin and service fees, and not on the entire value of the crypto asset itself, while its treatment of specialist transactions like mining and airdrop crypto tokens. India has had the treatment of cryptocurrency and how they fit into. Sitaram recently continued investor against crypto investment, citing their volatility, while the Reserve Bank of India has gone on record to state that crypto assets are a threat to the nation's financial stability. In recent developments around crypto regulation, Sitaram met with Managing Director of the International Monetary Fund Kristalina Georgieva in Delhi to discuss the significance of the regulation of crypto assets and the need to form a globally coordinated synchronous approach to the issue. Despite its overall caution, Bank Digital Currencies Project, India's central bank, the Reserve Bank of India, has appealed for the CBDC ahead of a potential roll within this financial year. Earlier in 2022, India levied a 30% tax on income from crypto assets along with 1% TDS on payment of virtual assets worth more than 10,000 ENR in a year, and taxation of such gift in the hands of recipients if financial. The additional GST will make crypto one of the most heavily taxed asset classes in India. Why you should care? India has become an important crypto market, dominating the global crypto adoption index, ranking in the top 10 among 100 countries alongside hook markets like the US. Considering this, the Indian government is becoming more proactive, is clarifying its definition around crypto. Read more about India crypto tax system. India Finance Minister meets the MV chief to discuss globally coordinated approach to crypto. Find out more about India involvement with crypto. Binance Titan grab on India market as app download surpass. The Indian Ministry of Finance has on crypto is to act as a check against potential revenue loss to the exchequer due to ambiguity around the true nature of the asset class. Based on its legal status, a new GST rate for cryptocurrencies will be decided upon, which could potentially fall between. The report states Finance Minister of India Nirmala Sitharaman intends to define the characteristics of cryptocurrencies, their use, and how they fit into the existing legal framework. To determine the tax rates under the GST regime, investor will first have rates for digital assets. Okay, maybe that's all from me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.